If you know just 3 trigonometric derivatives, you can solve over 70% of calculus derivative problems. These fundamental rules unlock a vast array of calculus applications. Memorize these 3 essential formulas. They're the foundation of trigonometric differentiation. First, the sine derivative. The derivative of sine of x with respect to x is cosine of x. The derivative of cosine of x with respect to x is equal to negative sine of x. And the derivative of tangent x with respect to x is equal to secant squared of x. Here's a fast track tip. Cosine is the only one that becomes negative. Let's apply the derivative rules to a combination of trigonometric functions. In this first problem, we'll find the derivative of f of x equals 5 sine x minus 3 cosine x. We'll need to apply the derivative rule to each term and keep the constants the same. So the derivative f prime of x will be equal to 5 times the derivative of sine of x, which is cosine of x, minus 3 times the derivative of cosine x, which is negative sine of x, and that's why the negative 3 here became positive 3 sine of x. So our final answer, f prime of x, is equal to 5 cosine x plus 3 sine x. If derivatives feel overwhelming, I created a free fast track derivatives cheat sheet that walks you through every rule step by step. You can download it using the link below. In this next example, we'll find the derivative of f of x equals tangent of negative 5x. So we'll need to apply the chain rule in this case. First, let's identify our function. Our outer function is tangent. Our inner function is negative 5x. So remember the chain rule. It's the derivative of the outside function times the derivative of the inside. So if we differentiate the outer function, the derivative of tangent u with respect to x is secant squared of u. Now, the inner derivative. The derivative of negative 5x with respect to x is simply negative 5. So if we apply the chain rule, our final answer, f prime of x, will be equal to the derivative of the inner, which is negative 5, times the derivative of the outer, which is secant squared negative 5x. And if we simplify this, this is the same as negative 5 secant squared of 5x, because secant squared is an even function. So secant squared of negative 5x is the same as secant squared of 5x. In this next problem, we'll find the derivative of f of x equals sine of 3x. Once again, we'll need to apply the chain rule. The derivative of the outside function sine is cosine, and the derivative of the inside function 3x is simply 3. So f prime of x will be equal to 3 times cosine 3x. Here are some common quick checks and challenge. You want to check the negative. So you want to ask yourself, did you keep the negative sign for cosine? You want to apply the chain rule and ask yourself, did you apply the chain rule when needed? And finally, is your final answer simplified? So here's your challenge problem for today. Differentiate f of x equals 2 sine of 4x minus tangent x. So you'll need to differentiate each term. And once again, if you need help with derivatives, I created a free fast track derivatives cheat sheet that walks you through every rule step by step. You can download it using the link below. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And remember, math success starts when you stay on the fast track.